Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we're making mushroom risotto. If you haven't had this classic dish, it's amazing. It's a great appetizer for that steak that we made earlier. And I'm gonna show you how we do it right now.
All right, guys, today we're making mushroom risotto. We got our portobello mushrooms, fresh garlic, fresh thyme, Parmesan cheese, and arborio rice. The reason we're using arborio is because it has that great velvety, creamy texture that we all love. And I swear by that rice, only for risotto, you gotta make it with it. So in a hot pan, we're gonna go in with our olive oil and mushrooms. We wanna cook those things down for about 4 to 5 minutes. And all we're looking to do here is get a little bit of color on them and soften them up. And then we're gonna go in with our fresh garlic and fresh thyme. This will season up our mushrooms and give it a great flavor. Also right here, if you wanna throw in just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, give it a good mix. And right now, guys, your house is going to be smelling amazing. I'm telling you what, this is a perfect appetizer for any steak or chicken dish. So once those mushrooms have cooked down, and we're going to go in with our rice, and we want to go in dry for about a minute or two to toast that up. Then we're going to go in with a splash of white wine. That's going to bring our acidity to the party. And today I'm using a Chardonnay. And also off camera here, you can see it a little bit, we got our chicken stock. I've got it on a boil. And the reason why we want our chicken stock to be hot is because it'll help cook that rice a little faster. See, this whole process here, guys, is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. Risotto is not a hard thing to make, but it is a little particular. You're almost at a constant stir here, and we want to go in about a ladle or two at a time. My ladle's a little small, so I'm going about 2 to 3 ladles every time here. But we don't want to flood this thing and just throw in all our stock, because that'll drown it and just make it a soupy mess. It's not what we want. We want to go just a little bit here and there. So once that stock goes in, just wait a little while until it dries up, and then continue to keep putting more stock into there. Guys, this is a super good dish, y'all. I'm telling you what, this is one of my favorite things to make. Also, just a rule of thumb, I'm using about 2 cups of rice here. So for 1 cup, we want to go 4 to 6 cups of stock. So for 2 cups, I used about 8 cups here of stock. And also, I just want to take a minute to say, hey, a reminder, if you guys like what I'm doing here, you want to support this channel, give this thing a thumbs up, subscribe, tell everybody about it, show them this awesome food. And if you want to, go ahead and try this thing out. It's super delicious. You're going to love it. So once we got this thing completely done, as far as the rice, it's not crunchy anymore. It's got that perfect texture. We're going to go in with our Parmesan cheese, give it a good stir. And right now we can go ahead and take it off the heat, and then we'll throw in our couple tablespoons of butter. See that right there? That's the consistency that we want. It kind of oozes back into place. Yes, sir. That is it right there, y'all. Plate that thing up. Some fresh chives for color. Oh, just look at that. A little bit of Parmesan shaved up top. Get you a bite of that. I know you want to bite, because I want to bite.